Whether you are ready for the snow or wishing for warmth, winter isn't far away.
That's right. Storm Teammate has been looking at the trends now for weeks. And here's the team with this year's winter outlook.
When meteorologists are putting together a winter outlook, one of the things we look at are the ocean temperatures all the way in the central Pacific. Now, you may have heard of La Nina and El Nino. This year, we're expected to have a weak La Nina, which brings cooler than normal Pacific Ocean temperatures. Although it's very far away from the United States, it does have impacts. Here in the Great Lakes region and portions of the Midwest, it typically trends on the wetter side of things. The Pacific Northwest, cooler and wetter, and then off to the southern United States, drier and warmer conditions.
Well, as Sarah was alluding to, there's no question that ocean temperatures are absolutely huge for making your forecast for winter. You can also look at what's going on over land. And one of the things we look at is snow extent across northern hemisphere and also Eurasia and also North America. Here's a timeline going all the way back to 1970 to present. If you look closely, I know it's kind of hard to see, but both the lines, all three of them, below average at this point. Where the reds are located right now, that's below average snow cover across those locations. And that kind of sees things going forward, at least initially going into winter, which means I think we're going to have a warmer start to winter, especially into November, but things I believe are going to rapidly change in December.
Something else we evaluate in looking at our winter outlook is the positioning of the polar vortex. We can have a situation with a stable polar vortex, which locks away a lot of the cold air up into the North Pole. It looks like this year with that phase change from El Nino over into a weak La Nina, it's more likely that we'll have a disrupted polar vortex. So with that, we have more Arctic air intrusions which occur, and we can have some colder and more volatile conditions which look to carry on through the winter. In addition to that, there's more of a potential for having freeze and thaw cycles as we move forward.
One of the big questions we get asked every year is, how is this winter going to compare to last? So as we look at last winter, not really much of a comparison because we were in a strong El Nino that led to snowfall nearly 30 inches below average, with Michigan's warmest winter on record. As we go back 2 years, many of you will remember the 110 inches of snow we got in Grand Rapids. That was under a weak La Nina. Still warmer than average, though. I think this winter is going to fall somewhere between the two.
This is just a handful of things that we look at with more than a half a dozen more. If just one of these factors doesn't come to the table or play nice, it can throw a wrench into everything. Now, that being said, here's your official Storm Teammate winter forecast for the 2024-2025 winter season. We expect a slow start to snow in November. We also expect one banner month, and it's looking likely that that's going to be arriving for us in December with a lot of snow. We have a good chance of some big cold air hits with some thaws in between. Right now, the second half of winter is looking a little more uncertain. And in general, after everything shakes out, we're expecting slightly less snow compared to average. If you want to see the science behind this even more so, head to woodtv.com right now for discussion by all of our meteorologists. Be sure to stay safe out there this winter and know that Storm Teammate is going to be with you every step of the way.